Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to save and open image files inside of VS Code. Alright, so if you use VS Code, right, and you want to be able to save and open files inside, watch this video step by step, because that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Alright, so before we continue, it's very important you watch the video till the end. It is very important before you start taking any action, right? So you're not going to make any single mistake, right? Sometimes you might make mistake if you don't watch the video till the end. So I highly recommend you watch the video till the end before taking any action. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, if you don't have the Visual Studio already, right, Visual Studio, you do well to download this right on their site. If you don't know how to get over to their website, just come over, type in VS Studio on your browser right here. Then you're going to scroll down, right, scroll down here to where it says Visual Studio Code, right. Notice there are two things here, don't get them confused. There's Visual Studio, right, there's Visual Studio, but there's also Visual Studio Code. Alright, so basically, alright, so you want to make sure that you have the right one. Alright, very important. So right now, this is basically how to come over to the website. Now they are showing me Windows right here because I'm actually using Windows. If you're using a Mac or Linux, yours should show right here. However, if it doesn't, just scroll down and look for the version that best suits your device. Alright, just look for the version. You can also search right here and just download and install. The installation is actually very easy process. You honestly cannot miss it. Anyways, I have mine installed right here. It is super simple. So I am just going to actually just type in my Visual Studio. As you can see, it's actually right here. So I'm going to open mine right here. Alright guys, so basically this is actually it, right? My VS Code just actually opened right here. Alright, and the next thing you want to do in order to successfully save and open image files, I'm going to come right here to where it says files. It is super simple. Then I'm going to open here called open this folder. I'm going to come here to where it says open folder right here. Right, super simple. Alright guys, so what you're going to do right now, right, is actually open. So you're going to come here to I'm just going to click on desktop, right. I'm just going to come here to desktop and create a folder, right. I'm just going to come here and then create a folder right here. Go to new right here, create a folder. Right, this is how I actually typically do mine, and let me just say one, right, my image project one. All right, I'm going to save it, right. I'm going to click on this folder right here. This is what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to click on select. All right, so this is exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so let me come here to create. So once I do this right there, the folder is actually going to be inside of the VS Code, right. So this is basically how I just simply transferred it inside of VS Code. All right, so what you're going to do right now is I'm just going to come here to my file explorer. So yeah, I'm going to come here to my file explorer, and then I'm going to come over to where the image is, the image you want to open. Okay, the image you want to open. So I'm just going to select a random image right here inside of my, so yeah, I'm going to select a random image. Let me select this Minecraft image. Let me look for, yeah, so I'm going to click on this one right here. So instead of, I can actually click on it, or I can actually drag it, right. I'm just going to drag it right here inside of the folder that we created. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it enters inside the folder that we created. All right, so this is exactly what I'm going to do. As you can see, this is the image. All right, so now if you want to save it, right, we've actually opened it, but then if you want to save it inside of your VS Code, I'll come down here, right, and then I'll come over to where it says save as. Okay, save as, and it's going to come up here and give me a name. So I'm just going to name it Minecraft space this Minecraft image project, right. I think that's what I'm going to name it, Minecraft image project. So I'm going to click on save right here, and then it's going to duplicate it right here. Right, so this is it. So basically it's actually how to save it. Okay, so this is actually how to save it, right, inside of your VS Code. So if you exit this right here, so if I come down here, let's see, and come over to desktop, let's look for that folder. Let's see, let me expand this a little bit. So what we're gonna do right now, let me look for the exact, I think this is it. So if you come right here, you will notice that this is actually inside of the inside of our file. So anytime we actually open up the folder, we'll be able to open up this image, right? And then because we've saved it right inside of this folder, right, we automatically save this inside of VS Code. So basically this folder is saved inside of VS Code. So this is basically how I save and open file images inside of VS Code, right? So that's how I do it, and I hope I've been able to help you out. Do well to like this video if you got any value from it, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.